Hello my crafty friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. So this is actually editing Crystal, and I was editing this video and I was trying to find the footage that I had started the video with and could not find it. I think it was because my clock alarm went off to go pick up my son from work while I was doing it. So I think that's what happened. My alarm went off and it didn't capture the footage. So I apologize for that. You didn't miss a lot. Basically, I just cut up this piece of paper into little strips, and then I used this paper on the side panel, and it all came from this paper from the Hot Buy paper pads at Michael's, the newest ones for this year. And I did a haul video and flipped through this entire thing, so I'll leave a link right there for you. Really, that's all you missed. I just cut up the different pieces of paper. So let's watch the rest of the video now. Okay, so the first thing that I'm showing you here is me cutting out this little strip here, and I included the little gold lining there at the corner on the sides. And basically what I'm doing here is I'm building the side panel piece. So I took some paper that had that plaid green and black paper, and then I had like a little burlap ribbon thing, so I'm going to put that on top of there. And then I wanted to, when I was building this, I wanted to add some red in because I wanted to bring the red into the side panel of like where the trucks and stuff are. So that's why I was cutting that piece out. And then I have that little flat button there, that little tree that's sitting there, which I'm going to grab here in a second and put it on there as well as that little Merry Christmas there. So so that's basically what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to glue everything. So now I'm showing you kind of what the basic outline is going to be, or layout's going to be, I should say. And then I had that little truck thing, and I was going to go ahead and I really wanted to use that in the layout. So I decided to go ahead and cut that little piece out. So you'll see me kind of fussy cutting that little piece out because I really just wanted the truck itself. And so I'm going to cut that out. And then I did keep the bottom little strip there because I'm trying to add in some gold foil elements to the page. So I liked that had that particular little card had that gold element in there. All right, and then I had this one other card, again, it has the gold foil element to it, and I wanted to use that in the layout. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to trim around the tree a little bit, and I just wanted to make the box itself the plaid box a little bit smaller so that you could see more of that background paper in the background. I'm just seeing if I wanted to use any of those other strips there. And then I saw this little season's greetings, and I thought that it would be perfect in that little box. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that there. And then I cut out this little joy piece too, but I don't end up using that. And now I needed to fill the other side, so I wanted to also add a sentiment there. So I've got sentiments galore in this page. But when I was cutting it, I wanted to have one of the trucks in the layout not being covered. So I decided to kind of use that one page that I already cut as a template and then make sure that I included the little truck image in the cut. Okay, and then I wanted to include another little piece of this sentiment paper. So literally this is like, I did not realize I had so many sentiments in this video until I started editing it. So basically what I'm doing here is I am going to cut this little piece on earth, but I didn't want to cut the cute little ribbon that was wrapping around it. And to make it fit in the box, I would have had to cut that out. So basically what I'm doing is I measured where the box is, and then I'm just cutting around the ribbon, and so that it's kind of just fits in that box, but that it's like but the ribbon part kind of hangs out. All right, so at this point I'm explaining that I'm really not happy with it. I don't think it looks good. It's interesting because now that I see it on video, I kind of do like it. So I'm not sure what's going on. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go into sticker time and see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm going to stop and kind of just take a break because I'm really not feeling it. It's not coming together the way that I wanted to. I'm not sure what the problem is. So I'm just going to stop. And typically what happens in the situation, for me at least, is once I actually start using it, I kind of start liking it more because I start adding more additional things throughout the month. You know, like I'll probably put this little joy somewhere, but then I just use it there, so I probably won't. Yeah, so just sometimes I just have to step back from it and go, okay, what's going on? Why am I not liking this? So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and work on, because I did want to do the journal card. Because I do think that's kind of going to add that truck component that I wanted. So I think I do want to back it with this paper just to give it a little bit more dimension. So I'm going to round the corners. And then let me get this hole punched. All right. And then I think I'm going to pop it off a little bit so that you could still see the pattern paper underneath. So I'm just going to grab some glue dots. You can still kind of see the pattern paper underneath. All right. So I wish I was happier with this. I was kind of really excited about doing this one, and you know, it's one of those things that it's like sometimes in my brain I just have this, okay, I'm going to use this paper and it's going to be great, and then it's like once I actually start sitting down and executing, it just doesn't turn out the way that I want it to. I really love the paper. I think it's super cute. I love the little sentiment and the truck image. I love how I did the side paneling. So there's definitely components of it that I love. I just think it's one of those things where I just need to use it in order to really start enjoying it. And I do actually put these little gold boxes here because I wanted to add in all of the uploads that I've done this week. So it's for the Monday, it's going to be my plan with me. And then for Tuesday, I have my December daily cover and title page. And then for Wednesday, I have my December daily what was that? Oh yeah, my purpose page and my calendar. And then on Friday, I'm going to do my Be Merry. I just spelled that wrong. I forgot one of the R's. That's why there's more stickers. We'll just switch that sticker out. That sticker will go bye-bye and no one will ever know except all the people that are watching it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh well. Oh well. I kind of actually like that. Okay, let's see. And then it's Be Merry 30-minute challenge. And then on Thursday, oh yeah, my December daily pages 1 to 3. All right, so that's the plan for my videos. I am planning on getting up my printer. My photo printer is coming on Monday. That's all I'm going to write in there for now. All right, guys. Well, hopefully as the weeks go by, or the week goes by, I'll put more in there and I'll enjoy it a little bit more. But for now, it is what it is. I can't love every single one of them. But sometimes it's like extra disappointing because it's Christmas and I want to love them all. But it's all right. It's all right. I really love this. I think that's really super pretty. Okay, so here is this. And here. And then that goes right in here like that. And there is my planner layout for this week. And if you didn't see this, I'll go ahead and make sure I leave a link at the top right here so that you can check it out. Actually, I'll leave it at the end card right now. You should see it sometime within the next couple seconds if you don't see it right now. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.